In this video tutorial, we will learn how to remove comments in Microsoft Word. Comments in Word documents are most commonly used to make suggestions to other people or to track issues for follow-up. They come in handy in terms of feedback, but it's also helpful to know how to delete them. It's a good idea to save a copy of the document and remove the comments in the copy. There are 3 ways to remove comments in Word: by clicking directly on the comment, using the Review tab in the ribbon, or using the inspector. The easiest way to remove the comment is to click the 3 dots in the top right corner of the comment and choose Delete Thread in the drop-down menu. However, this method is used to delete the comments one by one. If you want to remove multiple comments, it's better to use the second and third methods. The second way to delete a comment in Word is by using the Review tab. The problem with comments is that they may be hidden if the markup is not displayed. So you need to display markup first and then delete comments. Navigate to the Review tab, and in the Tracking group, ensure all markup is selected beside Display for Review. Now click at the beginning of the Word document. Navigate to the Review tab, and in the Comments group, select the arrow next to Delete. To delete all comments at once, select Delete All Comments in Document. To delete them one by one, in the Comments group, click Next to advance to the next comment and click Delete. The third way to remove a comment is by using the Inspector tool. This is suitable for deleting all the comments, even the hidden ones. In order to use the inspector, you must inspect the document. Navigate to the File tab, select Info, and click Check for Issues. Then click Inspect Document in the drop-down menu. The Document Inspector dialog box appears. You need to check the options that you want to remove: comments, revisions, and versions. Then click Inspect. The Remove All button appears to the right of any options with items that can be removed. Click Remove All next to Comments, Revisions, and Versions, and click Close. Note that this cannot be undone, so if you want to save your comments, you need to save a copy of the document with the comments. If you found this tutorial helpful, reward us with a like. Is this your first time on our YouTube channel? We would be more than grateful to welcome you to our community, so hit the subscribe button to enjoy more of our videos and learn how to master Word. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.